Head is small, girl. I be having baggy wigs. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wig update day. Clink, 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 clink. First of all, hey, how you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Obviously, I'm doing fantastic. Girl, I'm grounding right now. I'm in the middle of my living room feeling good. We're doing a wig update today. The reason why I'm doing this wig update is because we're doing a wig sale, right? At somebodyelseshair.com, go ahead and check it out. I'm selling some of the wigs that I've reviewed before, but one of these wigs was washed. When I saw it after it dried, I was like, oh my God, I didn't update them on this wig. Y'all need to know about it. Plus, I kind of wanted to keep it a little bit. I'm probably gonna sell it after this, but I wanted to get one good wear out of her, a second wear, because I only wore her one time. Y'all are gonna gag when you see this wig. Is the light, this wig was a pre-curled kinky straight wig. And when I tell you, she was beautiful when I got her, but everybody wanted to know, if you remember, I'll put the wig right here. Everyone wanted to know what this wig would look like washed. And I forgot to wash it. I just forgot, girl. I got ADD. Don't blame me, blame genetics. This is what it looks like after it's washed. I have never seen in my life, I've never seen a curly kinky straight wig. What do you call this? Like a water wave kinky straight wig? Like, what do you call it? Because it's amazing. But we're gonna go ahead and style this wig and reapply it, because for those of you that are going to be buying this unit, I think it's still doing well on sales because it's a great wig. For those of you that are gonna be purchasing this wig, you need to know how amazing this wig is. If you don't remember, this was a pre-curled wig from Wild African Hair. It was a kinky straight pre-curled wig. I'll leave the description down below. It also came with kinky edges, basically a low fade in the front. Don't worry about it. When they do kinky edges, they always make it a low fade. Not sure why, but we know how to work that. Very, very cute, very, very pretty. This one comes with, it's a 13x4, 13x6. I think it's a 13x6 lace frontal. It has 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and a piano key elastic band. This update video is not sponsored by anybody but me and my pockets and my time, girl. I just wanted to let y'all know how good it was. That's all. Let's go ahead and pop her on, because we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. While y'all comment down below, my wig cap is a little bit far up, so let me slide her back a little bit. Let me slide her back. This thing's probably gonna end up sliding off my head, but that's all right. I wonder if y'all be able to see me. Oh, yeah. Hopefully the light's not too bright back there. I've filmed in here at night before, but I don't know how it is during the day. Okay, don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Okay? Because it's a lot going on. I told you it's a low fade in the front. Girl, what's happening here? I was playing with this thing. This thing was playing with me. We was playing with each other. It was playtime over here. It's gonna give a little bit Tyler Perry before. But Tyler Perry don't pay his stylist enough to style the wigs, but I pay me enough to style this one, okay? I'm gonna stay on Tyler's neck, girl, about the wigs, girl. I'm gonna stay on his neck. But look, I want y'all to see the actual hair. Like, look at it. What? Are we okay? Like, what are we talking about? It's so, let's see, girl, we gotta figure out what this part is gonna be, because I feel like, I don't know about this side part. Like, maybe it is cute. Hold on. This hair is gorgeous. And look at that hairline. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get this hairline together, because as much as I love a kinky straight edge, probably more than the next girl, but sometimes the kinky straight edges, I mean, it looks natural, but I need to just like, do I need the, okay, I'm OD. Let me relax, sister. It's giving bows from Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. You know what I'm saying? You know how she wears her hair? Like, she likes a big, fluffy, natural sort of hair. This is giving bows all day. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my Remington hot comb on the lowest setting, 210 degrees. Nothing too hot, because I'm not trying to straighten it completely. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit them edges real quick. Make sure they're flattened. Not too flat though, not too straight, but just enough to blend into this hair. Y'all see the difference? Do you see how different it looks? I feel like it looks different. Let's go ahead and pull this wig up, back to the hairline. Ooh, y'all, it looks so much better. Head is small, girl. I be having baggy wigs. I'll be having enough to fill up the wig. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and apply the wig. This is gonna be quick and simple and easy, right? This is the Red by Kiss Style Fixer Lace Bond Spray in Ultimate Hold. This one and the Kiss Colors and Care, they eat every single time. You talk about applying a wig and it's gonna stay. This thing gonna stay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm just gonna spray. I don't know if I'm gonna spray under the lace or over the lace. So I'm gonna pull all this hair back first. I'm actually using my travel wig kit right now because I didn't feel like bringing all my home supplies from the office right there into the living room, girl. So don't get messy. I need a little bit of lace tint. I don't know if you can tell on this camera, but I need a little bit of lace tint because it's like light in certain areas. It's how I applied it. I did something. So the lace tint I'm gonna use is the more crazy lace tint, and I'm gonna get this hairline using my little sponge. This is my favorite way to apply it because I usually use a brush. Ooh, I'm not trying to get this on my floor. Well, I don't have no brush. That's just what it is. I ain't got no brush to apply it, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm adding the mousse to this, and then I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna tap the areas that need a little bit of color. The more crazy lace tint is my favorite lace tint. It really tints for the girls, but try not to get it on your skin because it's gonna tint your skin too. And then you got like a dark line like I have right now. But I'm trying to get a good color. This is a buildable mousse, so I wouldn't say a little bit goes a long way, but you can get a good color payoff just by tapping in like a concentrated area. Oops, that's a little bit too much right there. Ooh, it's diffusing it. It ends up diffusing the lace. It looks so good, girl. So good. But every time I think like it looks good, sometimes the mousse, like once I put on makeup, it messes it up again. So if it messes up after this, don't say nothing to me. I already told you it was gonna happen, okay? It looks good without makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry and show you the finished look on the hair because I think it's done. Okay, y'all, we just finished eating. Oh, had a little tuna. It was good. It was good. But look at this hair and look at the hairline. It looks so good. Can you tell how pretty this is? Like, what? I'm wondering with this hair, if you add mousse to it, does it curl? Because you add water to it and it curled. If you add mousse to it, does it curl? Does it like tame the frizz? What does it do? Oh, not much. Okay. Doesn't really saturate it. It doesn't really do anything. Okay. Well, good to know. Oh, let me sit down. We need to complete this look with just doing our face a little bit because I'm about to take some pictures, girl. I gotta be cute. I can't be looking a mess. God did not give me a whole bunch of hair for a reason because I would be a mess. I would be a mess. Okay, so for the face, really quickly, I only do like if I'm just spending the day out and I'm not going anywhere like to dinner or nothing like that. I do light makeup, especially in the springtime and summertime. This is how I love to do it. I take this powder right here. Get you a little brush. I take this powder and I take this brush and I just make sure I add it to moisturized skin because when I tell you, it looks so good. I didn't even tell y'all what this is. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Pressed Powder. When I tell you it melts down to like a, what do you call it? Like a liquid. Girl, it was taking so long. But I like to take a little brush first just so I can get in those corners to get those dark circles, and I go over in the nose. But this is like a highlighter. It highlights under the eyes. I definitely need to get one that's my skin tone because I'm obsessed with this powder. I got this powder from the cosmetic company store and I'm so happy I got it because this is like definitely my go-to, and I think they still sell it, so I'm obsessed. Like, look at my under eyes. Like, they just look already bright. I go in with my powder brush. But y'all tell me, how else do you do your makeup? And for wigs like this, Like sometimes I just like a fresh look. Like this hair looks like beach hair to me, like hair that you would wear on vacation because it's so wavy and pretty. Actually, girl, I don't know if this is gonna end up in a wig sale because I may take it with me on vacation. I don't know. Because it has like that natural, like it looks like, that's what it looks like. It looks like braid out relaxed hair and like a little bit of growth in the roots. You know what I'm saying? Love that. I go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown bronzer. Shout out to Bobbi Brown. I think this is mostly Bobbi Brown. Shout out to her. She has such good products. I remember when I first heard Bobbi Brown makeup, I was like, Bobbi Brown has a makeup line? Like, why is he doing makeup? It's his prerogative, but why would he have makeup? It would make sense if it was like a Prince, you know, R.I.P. Prince, but like Bobbi Brown, I ain't never seen him wear foundation, concealer. But it took me a minute to realize it was a lady. And I bronzed the nose as well. You see how it's coming together? Like I already look like I done did something. I'm gonna go under the chin. And then I take a little bit of my cream contour from Bobbi Brown. Shut up, girl. The cream contour from Bobbi Brown. This is the walnut skin. This is not a contour. This is a foundation stick. But this is the walnut skin. But this is the Bobbi Brown stick foundation in walnut skin. And just go around the hairline a little bit. So I like that extra sun-kissed look, and that's how we get it. You know what I'm saying? And I go in with a little cream blush, and this is the Baby Cheeks blush stick from Westman Atelier. Love this blush stick. I'm gonna go and get the orange one for summertime, like a coral color, because that's how you get like a really like pretty summer look on your face, you know? Add a little blush. Oh, I don't have my highlighter. Dang it. I knew I forgot something. Add to the nose, to the chin. I like to just add a little bit. I have to run and get my, I said a little bit, but this is a lot. It looks kind of like a lot. And for brows, the NYX brow pencil. Girl, that's it. Oh girl, I'm already out. I'm not supposed to be doing my brows anymore anyways, but I'm gonna reline them in the areas that I ran over makeup with, so I can bring my eyebrows to the center. Girl, when the eyebrows be like way over here, it gives crawfish. You know what I'm saying? Literally, it doesn't give full face, but it looks like I'm done. Like I did something like light to my face. The way that powder melts into the skin, please don't act like I ain't tell you nothing. I think you also can get that powder from Amazon. So if I find it, I'll link it down below for wherever I can find it. But this is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate highlighter. I'm gonna act like I don't use this every single week. Okay, I'm gonna take the highlighter and I'm just gonna hit the cheeks and like spread it out some. This is like a cream highlight. And when you get those cheeks, oh yeah, babe. The nose, the lip, and the chin. That's it. That is the full face. Let me tell you something about this hair. When I first got it, like I said, the curls were pre-done and they were pretty. I wasn't really sure what the hair would look like after washing it. And washing it, I think personally, this is just me, I think it looks better washed. I loved the curls before, but this is just more of like an effortless sort of look. Like it looks like you can wear it, you know, on vacation. Like it's literally vacation hair. Like literally vacation hair. It looks so realistic and it's so versatile. Like this hair is easy to move around. You know how sometimes I don't know how to describe it, but I can flip the hair over this way. Like I can move it around and it still keeps this beautiful texture. Oh, I love this. Watch the original review because I think I did a get ready with me for that one. Watch the original review so you see what the hair looks like. But this update is one of the best updates I've done on the wig. Like 100% looks, it's so much better than the actual hair. Girl, I'm still the front picture too. Look at me. Let's see. I think this is a style number GW06. They really ate this up. So if you're in the market for like a vacation wig and you don't want anything too straight, A lot of times these vacation wigs, they can be like really, really silky. And sometimes you want something that look like your natural hair. So pretty. Look at that texture. That's everything for this hair. I'm probably gonna stand up just so you can get like a really good view of this hair, but I love this hair. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. Obsessed with it. It took me like a year to wash this wig. So I don't know if the curls stay in longer, then maybe you'll get more of a wave like this. I'm not sure, but this is what it looked like. I mean, and these curls are not coming out. Like they're not coming out. And the waves are all the way up to the top. How did they do that? Wait, if you have any requests for updates on a wig, please let me know. Also, there is a wig sale going on, so you get to see a lot of these wigs. If you go to somebodyelseshair.com, you can see what the hair looks like after it's washed, even if you're not gonna buy the wig. See, sometimes the girls snatch them up fast, but if you do want to see what it looks like after it's washed, check it out on the website and you can see like what it's giving, or you can purchase it yourself. You know, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. So let me stand up. I'm gonna stand up and show you what the hair looks like, and then we're gonna get up out of here, girl. We got some piece of the order. It's really nice out. We've been inside all day, so we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I just wanted to quickly show y'all what it looks like if you can see, like while I'm standing up. First of all, these PJs are from Nordstrom. So cute. I'm getting them in every color. Like, I don't think you can capture it. Like every time I walk by a mirror, I can't understand. It looks so good. The hair is stunning, beautiful. Like, Why African Hair did this. Again, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to give y'all an update like y'all requested a year ago. Really, take my influencer card away. Girl, that's it. Y'all let me know what you think about these wig updates. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do more wig updates. Please let me know down below. We need to get up out of here. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.